Introduce the card insertion function of SUNCOMM routers. SIM cards are divided into 3 types: SIM card, micro SIM, and nano SIM. The one commonly used nowadays is nano SIM. Take SAY06 as an example. It can accommodate to SIM cards. The insertion method is always to insert the card with the chip facing downwards. The insertion methods of the 2 cards are the same. The routers of SUNCOMM are basically of this card insertion type. For example, SE0608, etc. The main difference is that the card insertion methods are different for CP520 and X75. Card 1 is the chip pointing downward through the bottom notch. The card is oriented with the chip facing upwards towards the notch on the front.